top tablets that can replace your laptop. In a world where gadgets are getting smarter and more versatile, the line between laptops and tablets is getting blurrier by the day. Just like how Apple iPhones are famous for their premium build and long-lasting value, there are tablets out there designed to give laptops a run for their money. These tablets are not just about swiping through social media or watching videos. They're powerful, they're portable, and they're ready to take on your work, school, or creative projects. With brands competing to offer the best, it's exciting to see how these tablets stack up. So, if you're considering swapping your bulky laptop for a sleek tablet, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the top 7 tablets that could be your next laptop replacement. And remember, we're saving the best for last, so stick around. Number 7. Microsoft Surface Go 3. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the Microsoft Surface Go 3. Picture it as the little engine that could, but in the tech world. It's the most portable and wallet-friendly member of the Microsoft Surface family, making it an ideal choice for students or anyone constantly on the move. Its compact design means it slips easily into your bag without the bulk, yet it's still robust enough to handle all your day-to-day tasks with ease. Whether you're scribbling down notes in class, surfing the web for the latest news, or replying to a flood of emails, the Surface Go 3 is up for the task. Plus, when you snap on the optional keyboard, this tablet instantly morphs into a laptop, giving you the best of both worlds. But that's not all. The Surface Go 3 is not just about getting work done, it's also about enjoying your downtime. With a sharp, vibrant screen, watching movies or scrolling through social media is a pleasure. And let's not overlook the built-in kickstand. It's a seemingly small feature that makes a huge difference. You can prop the tablet up for a hands-free viewing experience, perfect for those long Netflix binges or video calls with friends. The Surface Go 3 also supports the Surface Pen, allowing you to sketch, draw, or take notes directly on the screen, making it a versatile tool for creativity and productivity alike. It's these thoughtful touches that make the Surface Go 3 not just a device you need to have, but one you want to have. Number 6. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Next up at number 6, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. This gem is perfect for the creatives out there who love to doodle, jot down their thoughts, or bring their artistic visions to life while on the move. Right out of the box, it comes with an S Pen, setting you up for creativity from the get-go. The tablet's lightweight design makes it an ideal travel companion, whether you're moving from class to class or hopping on a plane. Plus, its battery life is impressive, ensuring you can keep going without constantly reaching for the charger. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite shines with its brilliant display that brings visuals to life, making it perfect for both productivity and entertainment. Its S Pen elevates the tablet experience by offering a natural and intuitive way to interact, ideal for drawing and note-taking. This tablet stands out for its affordability, especially appealing to students and budget-conscious users without skimping on performance or features. It's a versatile device that meets both work and leisure needs, offering great value and quality, making it a smart choice for those seeking a balance between cost and capabilities. Number 5. Apple iPad Pro M1. Halfway through at number 5, we have the Apple iPad Pro M1, where the game changes entirely, entering a realm of serious power. The M1 chip propels the iPad Pro into beast mode, making it a formidable rival to many laptops on the market. Whether you're slicing through 4K video edits, creating masterpieces in professional-grade applications, or immersing yourself in graphics-heavy gaming, the iPad Pro M1 handles it all with unparalleled ease. Its display isn't just stunning, it's a window into a world of vibrant colors and crisp, detailed visuals that can make anything from movies to games to art come alive. And let's talk about those speakers. They're not just high quality, they create an immersive audio experience that can fill a room, making it a portable entertainment hub. But the iPad Pro M1 isn't just about raw power and pretty pictures. With iPad OS, Apple has honed in on creating an operating system that's as intuitive as it is powerful, making your workflow smooth and seamless. Whether you're switching between apps, scribbling down notes with the Apple Pencil, or using gestures to navigate, everything feels natural and fluid. This combination of hardware and software sophistication makes the iPad Pro M1 not just a tool for getting things done, but a pleasure to use for work, play, and everything in between. It's a testament to what's possible when technology meets creativity, offering a glimpse into the future of personal computing. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. Moving up to number 4, we introduced the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, a marvel of versatility and power wrapped in a sleek package. With its laptop-class Intel processor humming under the hood and a stunning 13-inch display that brings your work and entertainment to life, the Surface Pro 9 is designed to adapt to your needs, seamlessly transitioning from a high-performance tablet to a full-fledged laptop with the simple addition of the Surface Pen and keyboard. This transformation is not just about changing forms, it's about empowering users with the flexibility to tackle any task, anywhere, anytime. The Surface Pro 9 is a versatile powerhouse catering to professionals and students alike by offering the performance needed for demanding tasks without compromise. Its large, clear display is ideal for everything from document editing and design work to media consumption and gaming, seamlessly transitioning from a productive work tool to an entertainment hub. Beyond its robust performance, the Surface Pro 9 enhances user experience with features like a kickstand for comfortable viewing and compatibility with numerous accessories, making it more than just a gadget. It's a comprehensive digital companion for all facets of daily life. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. At number 3, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, the behemoth of Samsung's tablet lineup, embodying the ultimate in tablet technology. As its name implies, the S9 Ultra doesn't do anything by halves, especially not with its expansive, vivid display that's a dream come true for anyone whose work or pleasure demands a larger canvas. Whether it's detailed digital art projects, sprawling spreadsheets, or losing yourself in the latest blockbuster series, the screen real estate and crystal clear resolution make every interaction a delight. But the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra's appeal doesn't stop at its impressive display. This tablet is a powerhouse designed to deliver top-tier performance across the board. From juggling multiple apps with zero lag to running demanding games at high settings and bringing your creative visions to life with complex software, the S9 Ultra handles it all with grace. The magic doesn't end there. The included S Pen transforms the tablet experience, offering a level of precision and responsiveness that feels like pen on paper. Whether you're annotating documents, sketching out your next masterpiece, or simply navigating the UI, the S Pen becomes an extension of your hand, making the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra not just powerful, but profoundly intuitive to use. It's a tablet that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them, setting a new standard for what's possible in a portable device. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. Nestled comfortably at the number 2 position, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus masterfully balances the scales between size and functionality, offering an experience that's hard to beat. This tablet is a powerhouse equipped with a stunning display that brings visuals to life with vibrant colors and deep contrasts, making everything from professional presentations to your favorite movies look absolutely spectacular. The sound quality is equally impressive, with speakers that deliver rich, immersive audio that complements the visual experience perfectly. Whether you're in the midst of a high-stakes work project or unwinding with some entertainment, the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus ensures you're getting the best of both worlds. But where the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus truly shines is in its versatility. Samsung's DeX mode is a game-changer, transforming the tablet into a desktop-like experience with just a few taps. This feature allows for a more productive multitasking and a seamless transition between work and play, offering the functionality of a PC with the portability of a tablet. It's this blend of power and flexibility that makes the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus a standout choice for professionals, creatives, and anyone in between who demands high performance without being tied down. With its sleek design and impressive capabilities, the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus is more than just a tablet, it's a portable command center that's ready for whatever you throw at it, making it the ideal companion for those who want to do more on the move. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro M2. And finally, at the pinnacle of our list, we have the crown jewel, the Apple iPad Pro M2. This device isn't just a step up from its predecessors, it's a giant leap forward, redefining what we expect from a tablet. The introduction of the M2 chip marks a new era of speed and efficiency, catapulting the iPad Pro into a league of its own. This chip isn't just about keeping things running smoothly, it's about empowering professional creatives, students, and tech aficionados to push the boundaries of what's possible. The Apple iPad Pro M2 goes beyond just speed and efficiency, captivating users with its vibrant display that makes visuals pop in an unprecedented manner. It's a device that morphs to meet various needs, be it as a mobile art studio, music production suite, or business tool, thanks to its expansive apps and accessories ecosystem. This iPad Pro is more than a tablet, it's a statement of versatility and power, poised to replace laptops for creative professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts alike. It promises to surpass expectations, offering top-notch performance, adaptability, and design to those who seek the very best from their technology. And there you have it, the top 7 tablets that can replace your laptop, all lined up from great to absolutely mind-blowing. Each of these tablets brings something unique to the table, from portability and affordability to sheer power and versatility. Remember, the best tablet for you depends on your needs, budget, and how you plan to use it. So, consider what's important to you, and you're sure to find the perfect laptop replacement among these top contenders. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and the latest in tech. We've got plenty more insights and comparisons to help you make informed decisions about your tech purchases. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities and finding the perfect gadgets that fit your lifestyle. Thanks for watching.